Hello, I'm Ronik from Unlimited WP. In this video, I'm excited to share a new feature we are releasing today on TaskMe. Before, you were only able to set priorities of tasks within one project. This made things complicated as each project could have something on the high priority, which makes it difficult for us to understand which task we should be working on first. Therefore, we are releasing a new feature in TaskMe to manage your priorities across all the projects together here on the task page. On the task page, you will see tasks from all the projects that we have open and working together and their respective priority order regardless of which project the task is from. Here you can see that the task is from task example page, where second task is from the project 1, the third is on the task example. This way we can work across your different projects by simply having a priority order for all the tasks that we have open. You can simply drag and drop task priority and it will change the priority order for that task and all the following tasks. So something that's number 6 can be made number 3 and it would change the priorities accordingly for remaining of the task. This task priority numbers, you will be able to see it on the project. Here I have one project open and I can see there are 4 tasks open for this project and their respective priorities considering your entire account and all the other projects. This way you can get a clear idea on where does this task lie when we compare it against other projects. When you create a new task, by default it will drop here without any priority order. You can simply drag and drop that task and then the task priority will get adjusted accordingly. Here I'm creating a test task under test 1 project, which by default will get no priority. Here you can see that the new task is now created and it does not have any priorities. However, as soon as you change anything on this page, that not assigned task is also going to get its priority accordingly. We hope that this is going to help not only your team but also our team in making sure that we are working on your task according to the priorities that you have set here on the all task page. If you have any question, you can reach out to me and I can help you understand this in more detail. Thank you for listening.